Hello once again and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to use ClickUp CRM. With ClickUp CRM, you are able to visualize pipeline, collaborate with your team, track and manage accounts, and streamline your workflows with the customers. To get to ClickUp CRM, you simply come to clickup.com, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Then on the top right corner, you click on sign up so that you can create your account. You complete the sign up process using your email and password, and then it will bring you to this page. So this is the dashboard for ClickUp CRM. So at the top here, we have project, and then you notice we have list, board, calendar, Gantt, and table. Basically, these are the types of views you can have. For instance, you notice we have project one here, but the view is on list. If we click on board, you notice now our view will be changed to board. You notice now we have this, and this. If we do calendar, again, it will be arranged according to the calendar. You notice it's here, and then we finally have the Gantt, and this is the Gantt view where you have the project on this side and then the calendar on this other side. So that is the view. But now, how do you use this to manage your project? You simply come to the left hand side. You notice here we have spaces, and you can create different workspaces for different projects. So to create a new space, you click on new space here, and in case you cannot see this part, maybe it's hidden this way. So if you notice yours is spaces, just click on spaces, then the drop down arrow will give you the chance to create a new space. So you click on that new space, and then the best way to start this is using a template. So you can use a template by clicking on use a template, but if you don't want that, you can just create new, then you give it a name here. You simply type the name you want to give your space name here. But I would advise you to use the template. So click on use template, and then you notice here, you can search for the template that you want. You can click on ClickUp templates, which is the second one here. And then now it loads all the templates here. You notice we have the agency management, we have marketing teams, we have all these templates down here. You notice there are so many. So whatever you want to look for, you can type it here. Maybe you want a template that is supposed to be managing a certain project. You simply type project at the top here, and then you click on search so that you get templates that are related to project management. So whichever the case, you just use that. And then if you want to use a template, you notice we have all these templates here. Let's say maybe you want the one for, maybe it's a project management. You can click on this one, then you are going to edit that. So let's just click on that, and then you notice we have the project management space. If you want to use it, you can either add it to the library, or you can click on use template, and then down here you can notice that status, it has 3 groups and 11 custom fields. So if you want, before you click on use, you can view which status groups are those. You notice we have these 3. We have not started, complete, off track, on track, at risk, and all this. And then if you scroll down again here, you can see the custom fields that will be in that template. We have project description, department, project phase, and all that. You scroll further down here, you notice the tag we have, the ClickUp, the view type, and the automations. So, but don't worry, you don't have to change these ones at this stage. You can still change them later in the project. So click on use template. And then you are going to put the space name here. Let me call this space Joe Project. And then you can import everything, or you can customize the import items, the one I've shown you. In this case, I just want to import everything because later on I can still change that. Then the project date, import as. You can decide the dates here. And then if you want to include archived tasks, you can decide to click yes or no. So in this case, I don't want to include them. Then I'll click on use template. And now it is creating space. You notice here on the left hand side below here. And so with that, your template will be created. You notice now we have the Joe project here. So you can click on that. And so you notice with job project, we have the team wiki, we have the roadmap, then we have the project request form, we have the list, we have the view and the automations here. So if we come to the roadmap here, you notice we have things that have not been started at the top here, things that are in review, those that are in progress, and if you scroll down, updated required, or rather those that need an update. So you can now work with this one and edit it to fill your data. For instance, maybe I want this one not to be entitled not started, and then just to be written potential project. So I'll rename this one, and then I'll give it maybe a green color, and then I'm going to call this potential projects, so that now we will have potential projects here. Then we have those in review, then we have those in progress. Then we can edit all these. Maybe we want our first potential project here is not physical modeling. Maybe it's a certain project by the name. Then we can just adjust this name. We just click on rename, and then we have this project as graphic design project. So we have the department. We can select the department here, where is the graphic design project. It's maybe under design. We can click on design, but in case whatever you are selecting is not here, you can click on add here. So, but this one falls in design, so we change that. And then the project phase, because this is a potential project, we can change this one. It's not started, but if we click on that, you notice we can have pre-discovery, discovery, design, implementation, test, review, launch, and all this. So in this case, we want it to be not started, and then the priority. If this project maybe has an urgent priority, high or normal, this is where we select that. Let me put this one to be urgent. So I click urgent, then the project manager. This is where you add the person. You click on add there, and then you notice we don't have people here. It's only me. So I'll assign that to myself. You notice now it has changed to the initial. And then estimate, if we scroll on this side, we have the estimate time, we have the date created, we have the project description. All these are things that you can edit. For instance, if it's not 50 hours, I can click that and maybe type this to be just maybe 30 hours. And then the project description, what is it about? So identify the value of roles of each. In this case, the project description, I want it to be designing logo for company A. So I'll type that here, design logo for company A, that way. So now that is it. Now you notice we have so many other things on this side. And as we said in the beginning, if you don't want to import part of these things, you can always close them. You can come at the top here. You notice we have this one, which can also help you to rearrange, but you can also delete. So if I click on that, I can just click on remove from list. So I don't want success metrics. I click on remove from list. Are you sure you want to delete this custom field? Yes, I don't want that. Remove from space, so that now we don't have that. So if you want to move sections, maybe you want the project description to be near here, you simply come here and drag. So you come to the project, drag this one. I want project description to follow the project title. So you drag that and then you drop it, so that now it follows from potential project, then the description, then the department. So if you click on home now, so that you can get to the entire ClickUp, you notice now here we have all these details. So if I open spaces here, you notice now I can see team space and the project that I just created, that is Joe space. Now, when you want to add a person to your workspace, you simply come down here and click on invite on the left hand side below here. You click on invite, and then you are now able to insert an email here, and then you click on send invite, and that person will be invited to your workspace. So you can also set up your notifications here, so that now you are able to get notifications for different parts of your ClickUp workspace. So you notice here we have notifications. Then you can get notifications either for all here at the top. You can click all, or you can get notifications for what has been assigned to you. So I hope this has been helpful. That is how you simply use ClickUp CRM to manage your business. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.